Hi guys, and welcome to my new channel. Well, not new, as you can see, I've had one video before this, but yeah, I'm here to start with my first devlog on my new game. To give you a background, this game started with a game jam from last year called the Brackish Game Jam 2020.2. We had the theme of Rewind for the game jam. With that, I created this interesting game. The prototype had some fun playing mechanics. After that, I have restarted the project because I needed to rework almost everything about the movements. Well, all the mechanics needed to be reworked. After I've got that sorted, I've started with a bit of level design, but that was randomized levels. But these levels, yeah, it's lots of hard work. Then some stuff happened. Stuff that happened was me moving to a new house. I were not able to continue working on the game for a very long time. About 2 weeks ago, I were able to start the game again with a fresh, new mind. And so I decided to start from scratch again. So I think I can do everything I've done already, do it better. And well, I've got a few different ideas for the game now. This time, I'm thinking of using one giant underground laboratory as your map. Yes, just one map for you to use. The whole idea behind this one map is that you will explore it, find new weapons and new abilities for you to reach more and bigger areas. You know, a bit like Metrovanias, right? Something like Hollow Knight. But this will not be a Metrovania exactly. But let's continue with what I've done so far. The first thing I've done so far is working on the movement. So far you can walk, and as you walk, and the longer you walk, you will start running and moving faster and faster. And also I've got a bit of wall running in, but yeah, needs a bit of work. And I need to add a few more things with the wall, with the movement, stuff like ledge climbing. So far I've added a few weapons in us. I've added a pistol and assault rifle. Well, I've added the scripts, all the models, everything currently is just some assets I found online until I model my own. The pistol and the assault rifle both work with raycast. If you don't know what a raycast is, imagine a laser being sent out from the middle of the camera. When that laser hits an object, it sends back all the information about that object that I can do stuff like find out the health, where to spawn, where the bullet should have hit. I've got a grenade launcher. Now the grenade launcher, how it works is very basic. When you hit the shoot button, it will just spawn in a grenade and throw it across the map to wherever you want it. Added a bit of explosions, but again, this is temporarily. I need to create my own that I'm planning on doing. Also added a shotgun so far. Now the shotgun I had a bit of trouble with. First I did it same with the grenade launcher, just creating lots of objects, throwing it in random directions, but it had some interesting bugs. As you can see here, everything did not work as they were supposed to. So yeah, I redid it already, and this time with raycast, and it works so much better. But yeah, these are so far the only weapons I've got, but there's more to come. And now for the abilities you will have. My whole idea of the abilities is they will be space-time based. I think it can be fun and cool to have abilities like that. Your abilities will be split into two: movement and attack. So far I've only got one attack ability, and that's just a simple push ability with which you can push objects or enemies back. How it works is actually quite simple, you see. All I do is I spawn in a sphere, the collider on it, and it gets thrown forward. Everything it hits, it pushes back. And yeah, I still need to work on all the graphics and feedback. As you can see here, it's just a weird sphere that gets thrown in front of you. But I also have two movement abilities already coded. The first that I'll talk about is a dash ability. Now I believe all of you know what a dash ability is. Moving fast in a direction of your choosing to get somewhere fast, or perhaps evade some enemy attacks. It was easy to implement. All I did was create a bit of code. When you push a movement button, or the movement ability button, it throws you forward or to the sides at a very fast speed for a few seconds. Well, not a few seconds, but for a very short amount of time. Second ability is where you're able to affect gravity. When you activate this ability, the gravity will be lower, or when you've maxed it out, you will get zero gravity, as you can see here. And I totally did not pick up a bug here where you shoot the object with a pistol, the knockback doesn't go backwards but it goes to the side. That totally did not happen. In the future I will explain all the abilities, how they will work, how you will use them. And as what I've not implemented yet, I will switch between the abilities. But with that, I'm asking for your help. I need new ideas for the abilities. I'm struggling with them. So if you've got any ideas, please leave them in the comments. While you're there, why not go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe. Really appreciate it, hey? Now, I need to tell you about what I will do next. My plan for the next month is I want to redesign this testing level and to make it feel more like what I'm planning the levels to feel like, so I have a better understanding how everything works, how it will move, so I can make everything feel better. And I also want to implement all the weapons that I've got planned. So I've got some fun things planned, electrical gun, saw guns, and of course, I've got an old classic knife. I hope I will see you with that next devlog, But first, before you go, to tell you, since this is the first video I'm talking about what will happen on this channel. I will from time to time post my devlogs, yes, but it's not the only things I'm planning on posting. I want to post things about designing 3D objects, things that will, for any other developers or people who want to become developers, will interest them. So yeah, if you want, and you want to know more about designing weapons or other assets for your games, also feel free to hit subscribe, because hopefully soon I will have some stuff there uploaded for you. Thanks guys, I will see you again with the next video.